So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve an interview question. So the question is, make the first letter of the first name capital and rest lowercase. Same with the last name, concat this two with the space in between. So we are using the Sakila database over here, and we have this first name and last name. So in this first name we have P capital, and rest other things are lower. So we have to do this thing P capital, rest of the things lower. Same with G capital, rest of the thing Julius. So Penelope genius. So how will we do this? So let's start our problem. We'll use select first, then we'll use substring. Use substring to select only till E to E from Penelope. So I'll use substring first underscore name comma 2, because our index is 2. Don't have to select the first letter, till the length of the last name. So this will give me envelope, right? Envelope from second index to the last index. Now what we have to do is, I want to make this lowercase. I'll use lower. Okay, if I run it again, as you see, it's become lowercase. Now we have to do is what we also used to use. We have to also use the P, the first letter, which is capital. So I will just use left command, first underscore name, and I want first letter capital. So this is how we'll do it. So now we can see we are getting this two different thing. So we'll just use concat till here. Okay, so if we run it now, we'll get Penelope, P capital, rest of the things. So now we have to do is another thing. I'll just copy paste this thing, concat, paste it over here. Last underscore name, and last underscore name. It's okay. Length of a first name I want. Okay guys, I made a mistake over here. First name, last name. So let's run it now. Let's see what we are getting. So we're getting Penelope, G, genius capital. So this is thing we want, but we also want to concat these two things. So again we'll use cat in the outer case, close the bracket. In the middle we also want a space. So let's see what this is giving me first. So as we see, we are not getting a space in the between. So in the comma between over here, I will use a space, comma, no such thing. And now if you run this thing, we will get the P capital, G genius. If you have to rename is as full underscore name, we can just do it. Now if I run this, we'll get the full name. So this is how guys you can do and solve the question. So I hope you guys like the query. This query is getting a little bit big. You can just break it down like this way. Each line represents some different thing. So in the structural manner you can do it, or like this way. Okay, I will paste this code in my description guys. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.